Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Are you ready for another little series of free backgrounds? Because this one is really fun and I'm very excited about it. So I'm just gonna dive right into it and show you all. And it's a familiar one. It's our pop-up game. So I love this game. I love this toy. I shouldn't really call it a game. I love this toy in therapy because you can do coaching with parents using this toy, having them wait and give prompts to their kids. You can do action imitation with the different knobs. You can do memory and recall and object labeling and anticipation and cause and effect. And there's just so much that you can do with such a simple little pop-up toy. And I love that we can do it on green screen. So I'm very excited about this one. Also, let's just make sure that we stop and give Kylie full credit because she did draw all of these on her iPad. She digitally drew all of these images for you guys, and she deserves full credit because it is so cool, and she's a little artist, and I'm very excited about it. Okay, so what I want to just model for you all is that you can actually have your kid imitate the movement as you're playing with this toy on green screen. So if you start at number 1 and the action we want to imitate is slide, you can have your kids slide their hand across the screen and as though they are opening it. So we can go, okay, let's practice slide, and then they go slide. Who popped out? It's the monkey. Hi, monkey. Monkey has bananas. So cute. Okay, let's see who's on number 2. Let's do a tap. Can you get your finger out? Show me your pointer. Go tap. It's an elephant. Hi, elephant. So who was first? Monkey and then elephant. And then who's on number 3? This one we're going to pull. Can you do pull with your hand? Pull, pull, pull. Pull! It's a tiger! Hi, tiger! And we can identify them, greet them, and practice the action. And then we can also go backwards, close the boxes, and work on recall and sequencing. But let's keep going and just show all of the action. So this one would be turn, and have your kids get their hand and go turn, 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 turn. Who is it? It's a giraffe. Hi, giraffe. Oh, let's see. Can we do push? Push, push, push. Who is that? Zebra. Hi, zebra. And then we can close them also. Bye, zebra. Bye, giraffe. Bye, tiger. Bye, elephant. Bye, monkey. And then they're all closed up again. And you can go through that sequence multiple times and practice the movements and have them pop up and go back down and pop up and go back down. So that's just one of the many things we have in store for you all upcoming, but this one is just perfect for modeling also for parents. So if your parents that you're working with in EI have a toy like this, you can show them how you would hesitate before you pop it. So you can tell mom, have your hand on top of it and have your kid count down with you. Let's count 1, 2, 3, then pull and it'll pop. So that way you can model it really clearly for parents as well, which is one thing that I have been really liking with the green screen is that you can show even more parent modeling and parent coaching using the type of activities like these, where when I'm holding the toy, it might not be as clear to the parent. This one I can make it nice and clear and crystal for them so they can follow our lead and we can do some really clear parent coaching. Yeah, so that's the pop-up game, and I think it is probably the cutest thing ever. Look at them. Precious. Let's pop them all and put them all down. Hope you guys have a great week, and I hope that you can use this activity. And if you use it, please let us know because it really makes my day and Kylie's day when we see that you guys are using the activities that we've spent time making for you all. So show us and make our day and also make your kids' day, maybe. Bye.